Hello, welcome to MG Tracy. Well, today I was going to show you how to use commercial washer and dryer. So if you're going to laundrette, or like me, if you're in a hotel on a not too sunny day in Florida, I'm going to catch up the laundry. So first thing, if you've never done this before, is you want dark and light clothes in two different piles. All your light clothes will come out a different colour. You need to make sure you know how to pay. This one is quarters, which you can only get from reception, but a lot of them are now credit card or app based. And you can also buy your detergent from reception, but we tend to bring ours so we know which one it is. So right, there we are. So first thing then, we sort our laundry and we're going to put that in the drum, and in this case I'm going to leave one of these detergent leaves on top of the clothes, but if you're using powder softener, then it's here. So in this model you can see this is bleach, this is softener, and this is where your liquid detergent would go, or your powdered detergent actually even go in there. Right, let's get this front loading washing machine loaded. So there we go. I always tend to check this seal, make sure there's nothing been left in there, but I'll ask people. Often you'll find coins, and last week I even found somebody's car key was in there. Not sure if that's still going to work, but I handed it into reception. Make sure you've emptied anything out of the pockets, particularly anything paper, because that's going to mess up your entire load. Right, so we've done that. Next thing is just to feed the quarters. This needs $3, so I'm just going to feed that in there now to get that going. As I feed them in, the display on the front is showing you how much you've got left to pay. Okay, so that's now saying start or pause, and it's showing you how long. I'm going to put the detergent on the top there, shut the door, and I'm hoping you can choose what you want. And actually, warm is going to be fine, and I'm going to start that there. And then you can come back in 36 minutes or so, and your laundry will be done. And then we'll do pretty much the same thing for the tumble dryer. Okay, so before we get the dryer going, just to save yourself a bit of money, if you're doing a dark and a light wash, complete those both before you put them into the tumble dryer, because then you can dry two washes in one. You're not going to get any problem with colours then. Make sure you get everything out of your washing machine. Just give it a quick spin, make sure nothing's got stuck to the top. Don't forget, check here, you haven't left anything in there. Good. Now, in this one, just make sure that this has been taken out and cleaned, because the last person hasn't done that. Look, so I need to get that off. Get that in the bin somewhere, because it's a bit of a fire hazard if you're not somewhere where machines are getting hot. Right, we just need to get the next batch of coins in now. There. Okay, so 45 minutes. I'll go for the high temperature, otherwise it's just not going to be dry. And then start. Right, now you've got 45 minutes to yourself until your laundry should be ready. Set your alarms. So there our time's up. We've come back. I tend to not leave my laundry alone for too long. I can't imagine anyone's going to steal it, but sometimes people take it out and put it on the floor to do theirs, and you're back to square one. So yeah, no, so I just tend to fold this up now, put it in a plastic bag while it's still warm. You shouldn't need to iron it or anything, and job done. So there you go, I hope you found that useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and come back every day for a bit more fun here on MG Tracy. This is Paul from London, currently in Florida. See you next time. Cheerio.